everyone! Today, I'm gonna break down one of the most mind-blowing forces in the universe, gravity. Yep, that invisible force that keeps us all grounded, quite literally. So what exactly is gravity? Let's dive in. Gravity is a force of attraction that pulls two objects toward each other. It's what makes the apple fall from the tree and why planets orbit the sun. But how does it work? To understand, we need to talk about three things: mass, weight, and distance. First up, mass. Mass is how much stuff an object is made of. Every object with mass has gravity. The bigger the mass, the stronger the gravitational pull. So a planet like Earth has much more gravity than, say, a basketball, because the Earth's mass is way bigger. Cool, right? Next is weight. Now, weight and mass are often mixed up, but they're not the same thing. Weight is actually the force of gravity acting on an object's mass. That's why you weigh less on the moon than on Earth. The moon has less mass than Earth, so it has less gravity pulling you down. So, your weight changes depending on where you are in the universe. Finally, let's talk about distance. Gravity gets weaker with distance. The further apart two objects are, the less they attract each other. For example, the gravitational pull between you and Earth is super strong because you're standing right on it. But if you were in a spaceship far away from Earth, you'd hardly feel its gravity. This is why astronauts seem to float in space. So, to wrap it all up, gravity is a force that pulls objects with mass towards each other. The more mass an object has, the stronger its gravity. Your weight is the force of gravity on your mass, and gravity weakens with distance. Pretty wild, huh? Gravity shapes everything from the way we live to the way the entire universe operates. Next time you drop something, just remember, it's not clumsiness, it's gravity doing its job. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun science facts. Catch you next time!